Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristina.Alexa and today we're in Centennial Hills checking out this brand new listing, and I'm here with the listing agent.
So my name is Nick Blaze, I'm with the agency. I got this listing from my investor client. We found it from off market, and then within 3 weeks of closing, we got it back on the market for him.
So ladies and gentlemen, I don't care if you're an investor, a retail, a first-time buyer, new construction, fix and flips, east side, west side, whatever service you need, we're here to help you. So as soon as we walk into the property, the first thing I want to highlight is this home has brand new flooring on the first and second floor. On the first floor, it is blonde luxury vinyl plank. We have a half bath down here on level 1. We'll go to the second level in a second. That's your 2-car garage. This is your coat closet, linen closet. And then this is the living room. It has a nice doorway to the backyard, which has been completely redone as well. And before we get there, I want to show you the beautiful kitchen. This is a quartz waterfall kitchen. We have this little breakfast area, so a lot of natural sunlight flows into this kitchen and makes it very pretty. These are actually the original cabinets because this home is not too old. It was built in 2005, and I actually think it was done in a very tasteful manner. It looks really good. New hardware was added, and then the white really offsets the tone, the color of this brown. And personally, I would have thought these were new cabinets. I would not have guessed these were the originals. This is your walk-in pantry. 2005 oven, new microwave. This is your brand new fridge. Across from the kitchen is your little breakfast table area. And then you walk in to the completely landscaped backyard here in Centennial. Let's go check out level 2. The property has 3 bedrooms. They're all on the second level. Up here, the flooring is very plush carpet. And as we go upstairs, I just want to say big thank you to everyone who left me some positivity and some nice comments and feedback from my last video. I got a few Instagram DMs as well, and it's just really cool to build a community on here. So I appreciate y'all, and let's continue. So here on the second floor, the carpet is brand new, and this is the new flooring I said we did on both levels. This is a little coat closet, and then this is the bathroom that these 2 bedrooms share here on the second level. This is what the neighborhood looks like. The second bedroom is pretty much a match for this one. So this is your second bedroom, and this one has a window overlooking the side yard. You have like an extra little like nook space in here, and this one has a walk-in closet. Here's your laundry room. You have upper cabinets, and then that's a linen closet right over there. And finally, we lead to this master bedroom, which has so much natural sunlight. I absolutely love it. It has high ceilings. It's got a ceiling fan. I'm gonna turn around so you can see how well lit this master bedroom is and how grand it feels because of the high ceilings here. And then here is the master bath. Again, original cabinets. So the home has matching cabinets upstairs and downstairs in the kitchen and in the bathrooms. Right, we got a tub shower. Here's your linen closet, toilet, and then you have a walk-in closet here on this master. All right, y'all, I just pulled out of the subdivision of this neighborhood that this listing is in, and this is gonna be me getting to Deer Springs Way. I'm pulling up to Deer Springs Way. I'm gonna go left. So I'm currently facing southbound here in Centennial, and this is like the nearest main road. There's a lot of neighborhoods in this area, like all of these houses, and in this neighborhood and the ones I'm turning onto it, like all of these up here, like literally all of this whole block, all of this was built in the early 2000s. So the house we just checked out was 2005. These are like even as recent as like 2016. Some of these neighborhoods, I would say within like 8 to 10, like the 5 to 6, all the like the nearest 5 to 6 blocks around this area. So now I'm about to catch the 215 freeway. in where would I be going? Westbound? Yeah, 215 westbound freeway from Durango right here in Centennial. And that's the Centennial Hills Hospital. So that's a look at what is on the market right now in Vegas in Centennial Hills for under $500,000. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. You can reach me for my real estate services by filling out the form, which is linked in the description of this video and every other video. Once again, if we haven't met, my name is Kristina.Alexa. If you just want to keep up with my Vegas shenanigans, you can follow me on Instagram. And if you have any quick questions, here's my email address. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.